Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn how to download subtools like brushes or other materials from Clip Studio Paint. In Subtools, there is an option called Add from Downloads. Click on that and it will take us to another window. In Subtools, click on Search for Materials on Assets, and it will take you to another window. In Clip Studio Assets, click on the search bar and type what kind of material you want. I am looking for hair subtools. Press Enter. Then we will see hair materials. It can be free or paid. You can choose from what you prefer. I am choosing a free material. Click on that. Then you can see the material details. If you scroll down, you can check the design and how to use it. Scroll up and then click on the download option. You will get a notification if the download is successful. We can see that the material has been downloaded. Now go back to the main window, click on the hair subtool and then click on the Add Palette tab. We can see that it is added to the end of subtool category. If you click on the Add from Download option, you will go to Add Subtool window where the previous downloaded materials are. You can add any already downloaded subtools whenever you want, without going through the process of download again, if the materials is already there. We can search in the search bar for the material we need, and we can see it easily without scrolling down for it.